Welcome to this tutorial on how to backtest in MetaTrader 5. In this video, we will walk you through the process step by step, enabling you to test your trading strategies against historical data. Backtesting is an essential part of developing a successful trading system, and using MetaTrader 5 makes this process straightforward and efficient. First, open your MetaTrader 5 platform and ensure you have the historical data required for the currency pair or asset you want to test. You can download historical data directly within the platform by going to the Tools menu, selecting History Center, and downloading the relevant data for your chosen instrument. Once you have the data, you can proceed to the Strategy Tester by clicking on the View menu and selecting Strategy Tester, or simply using the keyboard shortcut Control and R. Next, in the Strategy Tester window, select the Expert Advisor, or EA, you wish to backtest. You will also need to choose the financial instrument and the time frame that matches your strategy. Make sure to set the testing model to every tick for the most accurate results. Once you have configured these settings, you can specify the date range for your testing period. This allows you to see how your strategy would have performed during specific market conditions. Finally, click the Start button to begin the backtest. You can monitor the results in real time, and once the testing is completed, review the results and stats provided by the strategy tester. This will include data such as total profit, drawdown, and the number of trades executed. Analyzing these results will give you insights into the effectiveness of your strategy and help you make necessary adjustments to improve your trading approach. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful for your trading journey.